new crew? Welcome back to my channel. We're sitting down. I'm showing you guys my Walmart haul. I just got back from my Walmart pickup service. Might be a little loud. It's late at night. I got all the kids home and my husband's at night school. So here we are. Let's talk about some groceries. I'm gonna flip the camera around. If you want to see the first part of my grocery haul for the month, I'll link my ALDI haul down below, as well as my November meal plan if you want to see how we're using these meals. So let's go ahead and get going. Let's just start here with my tower of bags. This is 50 pounds of flour and 20 pounds of sugar. I needed to stock up. Typically I get these from Sam's Club, but I decided to look and it's actually cheaper for unit price to just get it in a bunch of little bags like this from Walmart. So that's what I did. I completely ran out in October, so I am stocking up to make sure that I don't. I'm gonna do a full kitchen restock. That video will be coming up probably after this one, but lots of flour, lots of sugar for all the things. I said in my ALDI haul I was switching out some snacks for the kids, and I decided to do 2 bags of sugar snap peas for snacking for the kids for lunch boxes and things like that. We've never done this before, but the kids love snap peas out of the garden, so I figured let's just give it a try, see how they like it this month. So I got 2 bags of these. I got a crazy amount of bananas. I'm pretty sure I got 15 bananas. It looks like some of them are really yellow, some of them are really green, so that's perfect. The kids didn't want to do oranges this month, so I'm trying to switch out with some other things. And I have a whole bunch of apples from my neighbor from his trees. I got a bag of chicken nuggets for the kids. They have 9 days off at the end of the month for fall break, so this is just a really easy lunch that they asked for. I do let them all kind of like pick something when I do once grocery shopping. What would you like this month? And this was a highly requested item, so we're gonna do that. I saw this snap pea stir fry and I wanted to give it a try, because if we really like it, then come next garden season I will start preserving bags like this for stir fries and stuff. So we do that quite a bit. That's why I wanted to try that. I stopped getting string cheese back during 2020. These got up to like $15 for a pack of 24. So I just stopped buying them. I haven't looked at the price at these at all, but my kids asked me this month if I could switch out some snacks, and I thought let's go back and look at some string cheese, and these are like $5 again. So they dropped $10 since 2020. So I got 3 of them. These freeze really great. You can put them in lunch boxes frozen, and then they'll be thawed by your time your kids get to lunch. So that's what I'm gonna do. But there are 24. I got 3 packs. That is that. The kids will all enjoy these. My husband and I really like these as well. With for like a afternoon snack, a string cheese and an apple or something will hold you off really well. I got 2 things of egg noodles for casseroles that we're doing. Same thing with the 10-pound bag of tater tots. These will be multiple casseroles, multiple sides, maybe with some of our chicken nuggets here. So that'll be all month long. Oh, this is a 5-pound bag, never mind, not a 10-pound bag. I got a bag of Honey Nut Cheerios. That's what my kids requested for the month for their cereal of choice. I got 6 loaves of honey wheat bread here. I am going to be switching this out to something else. We have a local Amish shop that makes bread, and I'm going to start getting my bread from there. I do make bread all the time, but to make all of our bread that we would need for an entire month would be a crazy amount of bread. And I also have one kid in particular who eats sandwiches pretty much every single day for lunch exclusively, and she literally despises my homemade bread. She does not like it. She doesn't like any of it. The only thing that she eats are my hamburger buns. So I mean, technically I could make a bunch of hamburger buns and just put her sandwiches on there, but she absolutely hates it. She only likes this bread or the Amish bread. I don't know why she doesn't like my bread. Everybody else likes it, but that's okay. My kids are generally really good eaters that way. That's the reason why when they tell me they don't like something, I kind of just leave it be, because we all have things that we don't like. So that's kind of okay with me. So that's why I keep buying this bread, but I am gonna switch it out. I got some things this month that you don't always see. I got cat food. I have 2 bags here. I ordered a big bag, but this was a substitution. 2 things of apple juice. This was a request from my husband. He really likes it when I have these around, so 2 for the month is plenty. The kids needed more soap, so I got a thing of that. I got an onion soup mix. We like to do this with pork chops and mashed potatoes. It's delicious. I got some pectin. I'm going to be making 2 different jams before Christmas. I'm making a strawberry rhubarb jam and also a Christmas jam, which is strawberries and cranberries. So I needed some pectin to do that. I want to hand that out as gifts. So needed some more pectin. I got 4 things of peas and carrots. This is what we love to use in all of our casseroles and our pot pies. And then I'll just add in like corn and other random veggies, but we really like this. I got 4 things of light brown sugar. My husband's been using all my brown sugar for all of his marinades when he's smoking fish. So I stocked up on this because I need it. I got a thing of wipes. I needed that this month. I also included in this order got a huge pack of diapers for Cleo. It's just going to be shipped to me because I ordered the big bulk size. So that is included in this though. Those things don't come out of my grocery budget. I have a separate budget for like kids items, wipes, and diapers because they just got so expensive. They would take up a huge chunk of my grocery budget. So I ended up just separating them completely, but I did put it on my order because I needed them. Same with the like cat food, dog food, things like that. That doesn't come out of my budget. I have a separate budget for feed for like all the animals. Got a thing of ramen. Just like to keep this stocked. The kids like this. Like I keep saying, they have some days off. I ran out of all of our like local maple syrup, so I got this. The place we like to get it from, I just haven't had time to actually go there and get it. So this is to hold us off for now. Needed some more taco seasoning, so I got that. 2 things of Go-Gurts. I got the cotton candy and strawberry banana. This is the one that I got last month that the kids really liked. So I did this again. There are 24 in each pack. This will easily last a month. I just keep these frozen, and these only go in lunch boxes. I will let my 4-year-old who's home during the day eat these every once in a while as well, just because it's not fair if your sisters are the only ones that get the fun snacks because they're meant for lunch boxes. So every once in a while I'll give one of these to him for a snack or for his lunch as well, but that's pretty much what these are solely used for. I did get 2 things of kettle corn. This was another substitution. I got a big 12 pack of these, but kettle corn is our go-to winter snack around here. Kettle corn and a cup of hot chocolate is my kids' favorite snack, so we keep this on hand a lot during the winter. We do family nights with our kids one day, like either Friday or Saturday, depending on my husband's work schedule. And during the winter, it's almost always movies and some sort of game. And while we're doing that, we always drink hot chocolate, we eat popcorn. That is like the go-to snack for those nights. So we have to keep those on hand at all times during the winter. 2 things of whipping cream. This is just what we go through every month for recipes. Peanut butter for all of the sandwiches and cookies and stuff. I make all my pasta from scratch, typically. I did get egg noodles, 2 packs of those, and I did get 2 packs of spaghetti noodles because I am going on a trip and I wanted to have lots of pasta around for my husband for when he's making things, because he is not going to want to break out the pasta maker and make pasta while I'm gone. So these are for everybody. There's 8 pounds of spaghetti here and then the 2 pounds of egg noodles over there for casseroles. The very last thing I got was 5 cans of sweetened condensed milk. I am going to be making a crock pot salted caramel canning recipe. I'm very excited to try it, but I want to hand it out as Christmas gifts, and all I needed, I had everything I needed for it except the sweetened condensed milk, so I got 5 cans because that's what the recipe called for. I'm very excited to give this a go. I will be filming this coming up here. I'm going to have a whole video on homemade canned goods that I'm doing along with those Christmas jam and the strawberry rhubarb jam that we talked about earlier. So all 3 of those will be in one video most likely, but this is my Walmart haul for the month of November. Can you believe it's almost the end of the year already? I will link my Aldi haul down below if you want to see the other half of these groceries. The other thing that I had on my order that they said they were out of was a big tub of sour cream, so I'll just get a tub of sour cream probably from like my local grocery store. But other than that, that is everything we're going to need for the month, other than gallons of milk, because my 11-month-old just kind of naturally weaned herself, which typically happens for my breastfed babies right around this time. So she's drinking regular milk now, and we're going through about a gallon every 3 or 4 days. So going through a lot of milk these days, but those are the only things that I'll go back for. Maybe some more bananas. But that's pretty much it. Check out my ALDI haul that's linked down below for you guys. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you for taking time out of your day to hang out with me, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be